Hi guys, Robin here from WTA. I want to talk to you about this Arrowroot Deodorant Cream. I have gone with the eucalyptus scent, but they have so many to choose from. Let me show you why I love it.
I am all about natural deodorant, and when I found Arrowroot, I loved it even more. This product is really beautiful. The texture of it is smooth, and there is no tackiness, stickiness, anything like that, and it really doesn't dry out your skin when you put it on. It does keep it dry, but it does not dry it out. It goes really well, and just that tiny bit will have me set for the whole day. I was really impressed with this product as I do live in a tropical environment. I do also suffer from hyperhidrosis, so finding a deodorant that works is amazing. And all natural ingredients are even better. Not only do I love what is in this, but I also absolutely love what is not in this, such as parabens, aluminum, and baking soda.
So guys, I love it. A little goes a long way, and it smells absolutely fantastic. It isn't too overpowering at all. The only reason I want to use this up is so I can try an additional scent. I love it. I'm sure you will too. Works great, but that's just my point of view.